sweeties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cast stuffing my colorful monthly saving challenge. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time. I'm so grateful for your continued support, and also the ones who have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cast stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, so far this week, everything has been going okay, but now it's starting to get a little bit, towards the end of the week, y'all, it's starting to get a little bit busy. So that's about it, you guys. Nothing else, exciting. And so, I do my usual, y'all. I get on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, that kind of thing, watching you guys' videos. And that's about it, y'all. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome rest of the week. All right, sweeties, so I want to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be cast stuffing, and the total amount that I'm going to be cast stuffing is going to be a total of $30. All right, sweeties, I'm going to take this money bag, and I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take the money out. I'm going to place this bag on the side, and I'm going to make sure it comes out to $30. 2030. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, I'm going to place this money over here in this cash tray. All right, sweeties, so this is where I keep my beautiful multicolored saving challenge. This is the monthly saving challenge, and these beautiful saving challenges was created by Sway Buzzards. She is on Instagram, you guys. She has a beautiful website, and she makes so many, she makes labels, she makes envelopes, saving challenges. She does it all, you guys. So I'm going to leave her I'm going to leave her information in my description box below. All right, sweetie, so let's open it up. So we had completed, let me see, can I get this together here, y'all? All right, sweetie, so we completed January, and we also completed February. And, honey, I had started on March, so that's what we're going to be cast stuffing today. We're going to be cast stuffing March, and we're going to be cast stuffing at $30 over there. So, sweeties, let me count to, let me see. Hold on for 1 minute, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, sweeties, I just want to make sure that I'm going to be coloring in the correct, not go beyond the certain point. I'm going to be working with my big markers today. I know you guys can hear me in the background fumbling. And I'm going to be working with the medium tip. All right, sweetie, so I'm going to be stopping off here. Okay, I want to make sure that's correct. Let me color this in right quick once again so I won't pass this one, this 3 up. All right, sweeties. Okay. All right, I'm in a little bit of a rush today because I have to get a lot of stuff going. And so I know if I sound like I'm rushed and everything, because I am in a little bit of rush. All right, sweeties, so let me start coloring. And so as you can see, this is the 3rd month of March. And so these beautiful saving challenges, they are all colorful for each month. And so they are going, you cast stuff according to what month it is. So since March is the 3rd month, we are going to cast stuff $3 for the month. So this saving challenge for the month of March is a total of $105 that I have to complete. And so, sweeties, I'm not going to Try not to drag it along too much. Because once again, sweeties, I'm in a little bit of a rush. So I'm going to color this one orange. And I'm not going to do, you know, I'm just going to try to make it better off camera. All right, sweeties, I'm going to do blue next. Sorry about the glare. Okay, all right. What I did was with this lamp that I have, I placed it on on the side and see will that light and do better, because sometimes it gives it a glare in my videos. And so I'm just trying to figure out just the lighting, you guys, at this point. So hopefully this is okay. Let me move this back. It seems like it's better when I move the binder back. But anyway, y'all. All right, sweeties, let me take out a pink. Sorry, y'all, once again about you hearing all this noise, because I'm trying to find these markers, y'all. I got it in that. Y'all know I keep it in this like pencil case. And so it's all, you know, all the colors that I like to use is all down at the bottom pretty much. All right, sweetie. So let me take that blue. And let's color this in. Like I say, I'm gonna do a better job off camera. And let's see, I'm gonna do that purple. So I'm super excited that I had, I'm trying to, you know, start my saving challenges. I try to do them ahead of time, y'all. These monthly ones. And, you know, I'm just going to keep on, keep on trying to cast stuff, y'all, as much as I can. My goals this year is just to save and, you know, just to have a nice, you know, nest egg. Here we go. I'm going to use green, and this is going to be the last one, you guys. All right, sweetie. So we are done coloring, and so let me take the 20. Oh, sorry, you guys. Let me take this 20 and this 10, and let me cast stuff. And let's see. Let's count how much we have so far all together. All right, sweetie, so far for the month of March Saving Challenge, we got 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. All right, sweetie, so far we got $36 for the March Monthly Saving Challenge. All right, sweetie, so that's all that I have for you. I know this was a short and sweet video, but, you know, sometimes it be like that, sometimes it be short. So today is one of those days, y'all. So, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. And don't forget to watch the ads before, during, and after my videos. And I will see you in my next one.